Hey guys, so today we're gonna be continuing with select and like more functions you can do with it, like order by and so on. Since last time we went through it, we didn't cover all of them. So here we go. Okay, so today we're going to be continuing with select because last time we didn't cover like everything. So here we're just gonna be going through these. So to start with, we have select. We're gonna look at ordering. So we have select everything from country and then order by name as an example. So here, as you can see, I have everything, and then it's like ordered by or ordered in alphabetical order according to the name. The first is Bolivia, then India, Singapore, and Sweden. And the default is in ascending order, but like if it makes you feel better, then you can just write ASC. So it means the same thing. And then we can also do descending order by just writing this at the end. So then you get it opposite, so you get like Sweden, Singapore, India, Bolivia. And this is like if you put it with like name is like if you put it like with character varying basically. But then if you take like for example country ID, so then I can then it's gonna give it in like 1, 2, 3, 4 order, like so 4, 3, 2, 1 because it's descending. And then if I take it away, then you can see that we have 1, 2, 3, 4, or right. So then we have again the same thing. So the order by basically like you can get the data in a more structured manner in the table, and you can like so then you can like also select like specific columns that you've gone through already and then like sort it in whichever order you want and so on. Next we have select count, which is basically gonna like count the number of times you have that specific criteria in whatever you specified. So here for example I have select count country ID. So then you can see that we get 4. So country ID is like total 4, so we get 4 over here. Then if I take as an example the column name, then you can see that we have 4 because there's like a total of 4 names in this column. And then like because all of our columns right now have like 4 values. It's not like there's like 3 values in one of them or something. So that's why we're getting 4 in each of them. If I say like for example population, again we get 4. So this basically it's easier to explain like if you have columns with like different number of rows in them. But like right now all of them are 4, so we're gonna keep getting 4. Then we have count like with the where condition. So here we have select count country ID again from country where the number of official languages is 4. So basically how many countries where the official language is 4. So in our table, that's only Singapore, that's the only one. So we got 1 over here. And then if I say, for example, 37 as in from Bolivia, then we get 1 again. If I say instead 101, because none of our countries have 101 languages, then you get 0. And it doesn't round off or anything. So like if I put like 2, for example, Sweden has 1. So if I put 2, it's going to give 0 again. So you can put in like the where condition and see like put in like a condition and see where it exists or not. And then we also have distinct. So there we have select distinct name from country. So here we get like the results. So if we have the same name more than once, so here we have all the name only one time. We have Sweden 1 time, Singapore 1 time, India 1 time, Bolivia 1 time. So then you get like all of them, but then like if one was repeated, for example, then you'd get more. Like then they would basically be ignored and you'd only get 1. And then here we have select count and then distinct name from country. So here we're basically mixing count and distinct and we're getting the value 4 because like we have a total of 4 countries. And like how many distinct, so we're counting as we counted over here, but then we're also saying how many distinct. So if there's 2 rows where's the country Sweden, for example, then it'll still give 4.